Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. In this video, I'm going to talk about exponent and the properties. So the property of exponent, the first property, we're going to talk about product rule. But first, if I have x, okay, I have x power 0. X is not equal to 0, is 1. If we multiply 1 by x, what I have here, x. If I multiply x by another x, x times x. So here's 0, here power 1, we don't write it. And here what I have, x power 2, called x squared, which is x times x. Now if you multiply by x, another x, which is this x squared, times x. Now x multiplies itself 3 times 0, 1, 2, will be 3. Multiply by x. Now I have 4x. See, here we have 1x. Here then I have 2x, x times x. I have the 3x multiplied itself 3 times, 4x, and so on. If I set 5, now this one means x times x times x times x 5 times. For example, if I said 2 cubed, what do you mean? 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 8. If I said 5 squared, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. But if I said 5 power 0 is 1, 2 power 0, 1, what is it here? Power 0 is equal to 1. Then, now product rule, property number 1. If we have x power n times x power n equal to, so x raised to n plus m. See, students, if I said, for example, x squared times x cubed, okay, x squared times x cubed. Now this x, clear is x times x. Now we have times x cubed, we have x times x times x. So now x multiply itself 5 times. So x raised to 5, power 5 times. So look at now the rule. What we said according to the rule. Now x squared times x cubed is equal x 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So x 5, x power 5. See, x power 5. Then no need to write the details. So if I said now, for example, see example, we said x power 7 times x cubed. So the 7 times 3 times will be 10 times 10. Direct 7 plus 3. Another example. If I said y power 4 times x power 16. So x power 20. Another example. If I said m power 8 multiplied by m power 14. So equal m power 22. So we add the power. Another example. If I said t power 4, t power 3, t power 7. So this 4 times, 3 times, 7 times would be 14 times. T multiplied itself 14. We add 4 plus 3 plus 7, 14. Another example. If I said x power 50, and 50 times multiplied itself, times x power 20, times x power 100 equal to x power 50 plus 20 plus 100, 170. But here we have to be careful, see students. The rule is x power n times x power m. If we look at here, basis here, x, same, not different. What do you mean? And if I said, for example, x power 3 times y squared, no, we can't add the power. because the bases are not the same. This one is x, but this is y. Different, not the same. If I said, for example, let's say t power 5 and multiply by m power 7. No, we can't do anything. This t, this is m are different, not the same. Now the question, but in opposite, if I said, for example, x power 3 times x power 3, clear, no problem, because the bases are the same bases, x are the case, we can add. So the sum is 6. 3 times x multiplied itself, 6 times. So the bases are the same, not different. And for example, if I said 2 cube, which is mean 8, multiplied by 3 squared, which is mean 9. So what will the answer? 8 by 9 is 8 multiplied by 9, 72. So look at here. Here we can't add the power. If I add the power, impossible, I can get 72. Impossible. So 2 cube 8, 3 square 9. So then here adding the power is wrong. Only the way you can find each one separate. 2 cube is 8, 3 squared equal to 9. We can't. Now this one, 1 point. Second point. So if we look at the rule, now the first one is that the bases are the same. So now the bases are the same. If I want to give example, like numerical example like this one, that I have to say, for example, 2 squared times 2 cube, for example. 2 squared, it is 4. 2 cube, it is 8. It is equal to 8. So a clear will be 32. 4 by 8 is 32. This one, yes, can be added the power because the base is, see, the base here, 2, and this base also 2. So we call it 2 power, but the power is 2 plus 3, the power will be 5. 2 power 5 equal what? 2 power 5 equal to 32. Is the same, this one, same this one. Yes, base is same, we can add it. So base is different, we can't do anything. Base different, like this example, I said x cubed by y squared. And like this, the example, I said 2 cubed by 3 squared. So 2 cubed by this one, so it is 72, equal to 72. So here we can't add the power, we can. But here, yes, this one can be. Why? Because the base, both of them, 2. So 2 cubed times 2 squared is 2 power 5. 2 power 5, 32 students, because 2 power 5, clear 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, 5 times, which is equal to by 2, 4 by 2, 8 by 2, 16 by 2, 32, which is 32. Now, second point, see, return back to the rule. The rule we said x n times, see, times x m times. What mean? So if I have x n plus xm, we can't say x power n plus m is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because this is a plus, not times. So the rule they said times. Now example, if I said 2 cube plus 3 squared, a clear 2 cube equal to the first one, this one 2 cube, a clear is equal to 8. And 3 squared equal to what? Is equal, or before this 3 squared, let me give it the same basis. This one, I do the same basis. That is it, this one, or 2 squared students. So, sorry, September. This one, I did 2 squared. So the first one is 8. So here, what I have here, the first one, this one, 2 cube is 8. So 2 cube is 8, a plus. Second one, the second one, 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So the answer is 12. The answer is 12. Now, the question is, return back. I'm repeating this example. If I said 2 cube plus 2 squared equal to 8 plus 4. So this one, 8. With this one, the second one is 4. And what is the sum? The sum is equal to 12, right? Is equal to 12. Yes. But the question is, can be added the power? No. If I said 2 cube plus 2 squared, see here what I have? I have a plus. Can be written 2 power 5? Wrong, we can't. Why? Because 2 power 5 is 32. And this one is equal to what? Is equal to 12. Okay, This is equal to 12. See, equal to 12. So 12 not equal to 32. 12 not equal to 32. What this one mean? That is mean if I have xn plus xm is not equal, we can write it xn plus m. Like I said, this one 2 cube 8 and 2 square 4. So the sum is 12. The sum is 12. But if I add the power, will be 32. Will be 32. So 32 not equal to 12. Now, now this point, keep it in your mind. We can't add. We can't add if we have sum. Only can be added if there is times. Now return back. So the rule is xn times xm equal to xn plus m. And the last example in this one. If I said x4 times x squared times x6 times x7 times x, for example, 8 equal what? Now 4, now this one, all of them times multiplication. So, and the bases are the same x. So now x to the power 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. So equal to 12 here, 4 plus 2 plus 6 is 12, 20, and 27. So x raised to 27. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 7, 90 plus 8, 27. So this is the answer.